right, baby, so on today's adventure, rain, sleet, or snow, sunny weather, still got that content to flow, man. On today's adventure, man, we got my guy, Tall Guy Car Reviews, Car Wash, Barrett's Automotive, man. Make sure y'all go check them out. We finna watch the Trackhawk. We're gonna show y'all what it look like currently, and we're gonna show y'all how it look when it's finished. But we got the detailing on one hand, we got the car wash product on the other hand. So stay tuned, man.
There's some rubber bands up out there too, homie. Yeah. It's 3 p.m. 80 degrees outside. I'm in something to go real fast sitting outside the corner store. 6-figure car ain't got no business in this area. If it ain't one thing, it's a nutter. We trapped together, then that's my mother, brother. That's my dog. I pay her bills and buy designer, but I don't love her. Hey, what you need, little mama? She just play a part when it's time to smuggle. Hey, you ready? I pull up, pick up that bag and burn rubber.
Somebody must have hit my shit.
We the mob. She looked at my watch too long, now she see stars. I got so high last night, I did a show on Mars. Yo, ate my got caught up on them bars. My pinky ring, extra large. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first Menard? Yeah, Toy and Brittany. I'm shopping for diamonds at Tiffany's. Nah, I don't got no sympathy. She blew my whistle like a referee. Broke black, remember me? Until I found out that recipe. Started getting about 10 a week. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, I'd rather you than me. Backseat smoking good weed. 100 shots. 100 shots. How the f you miss a whole 100 shots? You not welcome at my trap if you don't shop. Get out, bro. Before you come through that back door, you better knock. Get the dough. They been waiting on this gangster to drop. Even though that wish I could be stopped. How many you suck to get that couple million? Self-made millionaire, oh what a feeling. My came from dealing. Get out your feelings. Your got me sexual healing. Guess who just walked in the building? Came out with 6. My uncle said that's pimpin'. My diamonds always hitting. You looking for your she with me? She ain't missing. I told you stay out my way, but you didn't listen. Big rocks in my watch, and we put extensions in all of the 100 shots. 100 shots. How the f you miss a whole 100 shots? Yeah. Stop. How the f you miss a whole 100 shots? Hey, hey!
Dang, it smell good too.
Oh yeah.
Smell good. All right, man, y'all see it. Shout out to my guy, Tall Guy Car Reviews, man. The car wash product, obviously, as y'all see the video, the car was clean, my interior clean, everything clean, man. So big shout out to him. Make sure y'all go see Barrett's Automotive. Bam, bam. And by the way, this shit smell good. Which one? Nah, this one. Yeah, this the interior stuff. I don't know what it smell like, but it smell like candy. It smell like some type of candy. It smell good though, man. Damn, the net's hitting. But anyways, go check out the product, man. Quality stuff, it speaks for itself. Y'all seen the footage. We out, baby. All right, y'all, so I thought the video was done, but man, just look at this car one more time, man. This thing's so darn clean. I'm talking about the type of clean where it's cleaner than my damn fresh cut bald head.
Hey, subscribe to my boy channel. We're going on all 2022, 23, everything.
Everything.
Everything.